Abortion rights supporters marched in cities across America today in a fight to preserve the Roe v. Wade decision. From New York to Chicago down to Texas, protests sparked by the explosive release of a memo drafted by Justice Samuel Alito showing the Supreme Court is on the verge of overturning the landmark ruling. Right now, nearly half the states in the U.S. provide abortion protections, but if this draft represents the court's final position, federal-level abortion protections in these states will be eliminated. And other states like Texas and Mississippi would immediately ban abortion. A decision could come within the next 2 months. The leak of that draft decision not only creating fear for abortion rights advocates, but also credible threats of violence aimed at Supreme Court justices. Now metal fencing surrounds the Supreme Court and reports that protests are planned at justices' homes. Joe Khalil is in Washington with details on the threats and what's being done to protect the justices.
Yeah, obviously your adrenaline starts to get pumped up.
Todd Keel still remembers what it was like when the person he was hired to protect gets credible threats to their lives.
You understand the risks that you might be facing.
It was one of his first thoughts after the bombshell Supreme Court draft opinion ending Roe v. Wade protections was leaked. And at least 2 senators confirmed this week some justices have received real threats. Keel, a retired diplomatic service agent who protected diplomats and cabinet secretaries, says Supreme Court police have to take outside threats seriously and must assume that whoever leaked the opinion could also be a threat.
They have to look at an internal threat. An internal threat is extremely challenging. Potentially, an internal threat is coming from someone who has access, someone who has an ID badge, someone who can get close to the justices.
Provide protective details for the judges and their families who've already been threatened with violence.
Republican John Cornyn and Democrat Chris Coons introduced a bill to provide more police resources and round-the-clock security for the 9 justices and their families at work and at home, given the heightened threat level.
And it's not just an attack against the independence of the judiciary. This risks violence against members of the Supreme Court and their families.
In Washington, Joe Khalil, NewsNation.
Thanks for watching. Click the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.